Okay, so I wanted to do a little video on how to sew the gussets for the tote bag. This is the lining. I've already got it all prepped, so I have both of the lining pieces sewn along the sides and then also along the bottom. So now we're ready to create the gussets with this little square here that we cut out earlier. So first things first, you want to pull the two layers away from each other, and you'll see they want to come together like this. So this is our side seam right here, and this is our bottom seam, and we want those to get lined up. So sometimes I'll press these, but I usually just push them in opposite directions. They don't usually need to be pressed. So I've got my side seam going to the right and my bottom seam going to the left. It doesn't really matter which way you do it. And then I'm just going to pin these and then pin all along this edge. And then I like to go ahead and prep the other corner too, so that I'm all ready to go. So let's do that. And we'll do the same thing. So we'll pinch these two layers apart. Okay. We'll get this to line up. And I'm doing those seams in the opposite directions this time so that it stays going this way. This is the bottom seam, this is the side seam, but it really doesn't make that big of a difference. Plenty of pins. Okay, so now I'm all pinned, and now we want to stitch a line all the way across this edge that we just pinned. So do a nice 1/4 inch seam, back stitch nicely. Oops, sewed over that one. And right before I get to this intersection, I just like to make sure that, yep, my seam didn't twist on me, and it did. And then sometimes I'll even back stitch over this just to give it a little extra security. Alright, so now that is all nice and sewn, and I can sew the second one and then repeat that for the exterior pieces as well.